Why do rural and remote communities have poor access to physical therapy? So I'm from Northern Ontario, and I've seen this a lot before. Uh, Big reasons being you've got a small population. With that population, sometimes there's no physical therapists, and people have to travel an hour to receive care, and sometimes they're very limited, so they're more general, and if you want specialized care, you have to go to bigger urban centers, which can be over a day's trip to get to. This is not feasible for a lot of people. It costs a lot of money and it costs a lot of people's time and it's very inconvenient. So, one solution that's proposed is to have telehealth. So, with telehealth, that is really one big aspect of Curovate as a company. So, if you have a knee replacement, hip replacement, or ACL surgery, Curovate can provide you with a virtual physical therapist for care and a treatment plan straight from your phone.